All right, welcome back to yet another video in the inventory component system series. This will be a quick one. I think I am a little bit tired and a little bit sick, so we will just do this quickly. Some minor cleanup. I feel like every other episode now is cleanup. That's how it is. If we grab a weapon, equip the weapon, drop the weapon, the slot is empty. If we drop it, we now create a empty holder item. As you can see here also, we shouldn't be able to drop stuff from our empty slots. So let's fix that. Inventory slot on mouse button down. I think we can also, like, we also shouldn't be able to, this is like, it's not really any point in having a menu on empty stuff. And we also, it's not really an issue, or not really. So here, held item equal to empty holder item. It's false. So now you can see that nothing actually happens. And we also can't right click. Still, the weapon still works. So yeah, that seems to be working. Yep. Also, if we have a weapon, I want to be able to unequip this weapon without actually dropping it. Because right now, to unequip a weapon from the weapon slot, I either need to drag a new one or I need to drop this one. So let's just do a override on mouse button double click. Is equipment slot. Held item is not equal to empty holder item. We can do a and boolean here. So if the slot is an equipment slot and the held item is not equal to empty holder item, which means there's another item here, we can Not sure what the functions are. Do we have, what's it called? Functions, add item to inventory. We can do helper, get inventory component. Just gonna rename this to okay. Do I need the interface? Can't I just F add item to inventory? This one. Okay, item to add. That's not what I want to do. I am going to because we add specific objects. I must be able to add from this. I'm just not sure how I did that. Okay, the inventory is of an array of these, so we can just add to that one. And we also need to update the inventory. And from the return node, we will do just drag from it and do make event reply. So it works, but we're now duplicating the weapon. We also need to set this to being nothing. And after we'll set we will drag out, we will get held item and do set held item, and this will be a empty holder item. So we will set the slot type to be empty holder item. before we update the inventory. And yeah, so when we're updating we also need to server set consumable to empty holder item. Sorry, plug that in also. Okay, yeah, we can't do that. We need to grab a reference to the actual player and call this one. I think it's the same issue as we had in the last video, but I don't remember what that was. Let me pause. What did I record in the last video? All right, I am sometimes somewhat of a slow person. I'm gonna blame this on me being slow and tired and sick. Obviously, if we equip the weapon and try to unequip the weapon, it won't help at all if we are updating the equipped consumable. It's obviously the equipped weapon we need to set and change. So if I pick up this, equip this, double click it, there we go. Weapon is back in inventory and it's gone from here. So we just drag from here, drag from here, so after we add the item, we do a slot type switch on item type. Or slot type, and we do weapon we do set equipped armor, and we do set equipped consumable. And we do armor. And from all three, we go back here. Not sure if this part is actually replicating when I think about it. Sword equip. Yeah, it's not replicating. I know why. We need to call the server set armor server set weapon, server set. The consumable doesn't really need set on the server. This, and this, and this. So empty holder item, empty holder item, empty holder item. Update. And let's see if the replication is working. So there we go. The replication is now working, but it's not working here. So we need to do both. Yeah, for some fricked up reason we need to do both. Yeah, that's some kind of issue with my replication logic. We're just gonna ignore it for now because it works. There we go. It is replicating, and it's working on both the client and the server. I am going to equip everything. And there we go. Nice work. And I'm just gonna get all of this logic. We're gonna collapse it to a function. No, why not? That worked. That worked. Okay. All right, now it worked. I'm gonna get all of that logic. And this is F remove just unequip slot. Now we can call this from the control when we do the controller logic and stuff as well. So not just only when we double click, because we want to call this from other things as well. But we are at 19 minutes, so I'm gonna pause the video now and hope that the audio worked, and probably set up some more functionality in the next video. See you in the next one. Bye.